crooked.
All right, today we're going to show you our Doall C-916-S as in swivel. This has a air-powered head lift, and it has an air-powered vise, so it also comes with variable vise pressure. All right, start it up. This is a variable speed, 9x16 capacity. Gone through it, checked everything out, adjusted it. And just cutting a piece of tube with the blade that's in there, nothing fancy. And a new light we put on there, LED. Variable speed drive. Right now we're going 145 feet per minute. Auto shut off. In order to lift the head, we hit the head up button. Lift it as little or as much as you want. Put this into the hold position or over here for feed, correct? Right, you have the air vise, automatic part dropper. There you go. In order to swivel it, you just loosen the one lever right here, and she comes around to 45 degrees. We have a brand new scale we're putting on there. As you can see, comes down to 45 degrees. Nice heavy duty American built machine. Please give us a call if you have any questions and come and see it. Thank you.